tell me something about yourself. Thank you for the opportunity to be interviewed for this position today. My name is Lars, 42, from Bacoor, Cavite. And before applying for the job, I studied the job description, and I'm confident I have what it takes to excel in the role and 50% to your company. I'm a dynamic, self-disciplined, flexible, and trustworthy person who works quickly and completes everything to a high standard. I am high achiever. For example, I achieve excellent grades in my education, and my precious manager praised me for the fact I would willingly carry out duties outside of my job description. If you hire me, I will help the company increase sales, save money by being frugal with supplies and resources, and take responsibility of my ongoing professional development. Thank you very much, and I wish you will hire me. Thank you very much.